Hi everyone, I'll show you how to replace the peeling screen on your Moto Z2, as you can see on right here. It's looks like common problem. There's few phones, they've been having a bunch of problems with this stuff. You can easily replace it. If you call Motorola, they'll send you new invisible shield, or they'll just replace it for you, or you can do it yourself. Just use the heat gun, it's gonna be much quicker, and then you can just ask for Motorola if they can send you a new one. They'll gladly will send you probably. Because I talked to them and they sent me a new one. Invisible shield, I'll show you right now. It's this one right here. I called them and then they sent it out for me. So here it is, we'll try it out. So just heat it up the screen. You can start from any corner you would like to, so just use something like sharp or just to get under. Just start in any corner. Just use heat gun as much as you can, so it's gonna remove all this stuff, the most of this stuff, because as you can see, there's adhesive still like left. Just use heat blood. Very hot. Okay, here it is. You remove this plastic, and then you'll need to remove this stuff, this adhesive. You can clean it yourself, and then you can just open this one and install it right after. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.